Chat GPT-4o offers several improvements and features that make it particularly beneficial for researchers and scientists compared to previous versions of Chat GPT, including Chat GPT-4. Here are some key advantages. Example 1. Speed and efficiency scenario, literature review. Previous version, Chat GPT-4. A researcher performing a literature review on the effects of climate change on polar bear populations might receive detailed summaries and references. However, the process could be slow, requiring multiple queries to gather comprehensive data. Chat GPT-4o. The researcher can quickly obtain synthesized summaries of the latest research articles, key findings, and trends. The improved speed allows for faster iteration and more comprehensive coverage in a shorter time. Example 2. Multimodal Capability scenario, analyzing visual data. Previous version, Chat GPT-4. A biologist analyzing images of cell structures might need separate tools to interpret the images and then input text queries for further analysis. Chat GPT-4o. The biologist can directly upload images of cell structures. Chat GPT-4o's vision capabilities enable it to interpret and describe the images, identify anomalies, and even suggest potential areas for further investigation. This integrated approach streamlines the analysis process. Example 3. Larger context window scenario, handling long documents. Previous version, Chat GPT-4. A researcher working on a meta-analysis of hundreds of studies would need to summarize each study in smaller chunks, potentially losing context over long documents. Chat GPT-4o. With a context window of up to 128K tokens, the researcher can input entire research papers or extensive datasets at once. Chat GPT-4o can maintain context across the entire document, providing coherent summaries and insights without losing track of details. Example 4. Advanced Analytical Tools. Scenario, data analysis. Previous version, Chat GPT-4. A data scientist analyzing a large dataset might use Chat GPT-4 to generate initial insights and then switch to other tools for detailed analysis and visualization. Chat GPT-4o. The data scientist can perform complex data analysis and generate visualizations directly within the Chat GPT interface. Chat GPT-4o can handle larger datasets more efficiently and produce detailed charts and graphs, enhancing the overall analytical workflow. Example 5. Customization and adaptability. Scenario, specialized research needs previous version, Chat GPT-4. An economist might use Chat GPT-4 for general economic data queries, but might need to manually adjust the outputs to fit specific research needs. Chat GPT-4o. The economist can set custom instructions to tailor Chat GPT-4o's responses to specific economic models or theories. This personalized approach ensures that the outputs are highly relevant and directly applicable to the researcher's work. Example 6. Security and compliance scenario, handling sensitive data. Previous version, Chat GPT-4. A medical researcher working with sensitive patient data might be concerned about data privacy and compliance issues. Chat GPT-4o. With enhanced security features and compliance with privacy standards, the researcher can confidently use Chat GPT-4o for analyzing sensitive data. This ensures that the data remains protected and complies with ethical guidelines. Example 7. Collaboration and integration. Scenario, research collaboration. Previous version, Chat GPT-4. A team of environmental scientists collaborating on a project might need to use multiple platforms for communication, data sharing, and analysis. Chat GPT-4o. The team can integrate Chat GPT-4o with their research tools and platforms, facilitating seamless collaboration. They can share data, co-author papers, and conduct analyses within a unified interface, enhancing productivity and collaboration.
Chat GPT-4o's advanced algorithms allow for an in-depth analysis and summarization of lengthy research papers, distilling complex ideas into digestible summaries. This capability not only saves time, but also enhances comprehension among researchers. The AI's ability to sift through numerous studies and extract diverse methodologies is invaluable. It aids researchers in designing their experiments by providing a synthesized overview of existing approaches, thereby fostering innovative experimental designs. These features ensure that even the most intricate research materials are made accessible, thus broadening the scope of understanding and application in scientific inquiries.
Handling vast datasets with ease, Chat GPT-4o assists researchers by offering clear statistical insights and intuitive data visualizations. This capability is crucial in highlighting significant patterns and anomalies that might otherwise go unnoticed. Moreover, Chat GPT-4o excels in demystifying complex statistical outcomes, rendering them comprehensible regardless of the user's statistical expertise. This accessibility is key to enabling a broader range of scientists and researchers to engage with data-driven insights effectively. The integration of AI in data analysis not only streamlines processes, but also ensures accuracy and depth in research findings.
Chat GPT-4o's capacity to execute extensive literature reviews revolutionizes research preparation. By synthesizing information from numerous sources, it identifies research gaps and proposes new directions, thereby enriching the academic discourse. Additionally, its ability to categorize research findings by topics enables researchers to swiftly locate and utilize relevant studies, enhancing both efficiency and depth in scholarly investigations. This comprehensive approach to literature review not only saves time, but also significantly enriches the quality of research by ensuring all relevant literature is considered.
Chat GPT-4o's proficiency extends to drafting critical sections of research papers and technical documents with precision. This ensures that the documents adhere to the highest academic standards, making the publication process smoother and more reliable. It also simplifies the creation of abstracts, introductions, and conclusions, streamlining the research writing process significantly. This capability is particularly beneficial for researchers looking to optimize their writing workflows and focus more on experimental work. The AI's input in technical writing not only enhances the quality of academic publications, but also supports researchers in maintaining a consistent output of high-quality papers.
Chat GPT-4o simplifies complex scientific concepts, such as quantum mechanics or molecular biology, making them accessible to students and laypersons alike. This demystification is crucial for broader understanding and engagement with complex scientific topics. It also crafts educational content that is tailored to different learning levels, thereby facilitating a deeper understanding among varied audiences. This adaptability ensures that learners at all stages can benefit from high-quality educational materials. Such capabilities make Chat GPT-4o an invaluable educational tool, bridging the gap between complex scientific information and general comprehension.
While Chat GPT-4o does not perform simulations itself, it provides substantial guidance in setting up and analyzing them. This includes advising on the appropriate parameters and interpreting the outcomes, which is crucial for accurate scientific modeling. It also suggests modifications based on new data or hypotheses, enhancing the accuracy and relevance of scientific models. This guidance is invaluable for researchers looking to refine their simulations and achieve more precise results. The support offered by Chat GPT-4o in simulation and modeling not only enhances scientific accuracy, but also fosters innovation in research methodologies.
Chat GPT-4o offers creative solutions to complex scientific problems, suggesting novel experimental approaches and methodologies. This capability is crucial for advancing research and overcoming methodological challenges. Additionally, it assists in troubleshooting issues within experimental designs, providing insights into potential improvements and pitfalls. This proactive problem-solving ensures that scientific experiments are not only well-designed, but also more likely to yield valid results. Such problem-solving capabilities underscore Chat GPT-4o's role as a critical thinking partner in science, enhancing both the efficiency and quality of research. By integrating knowledge from various scientific disciplines, Chat GPT-4o offers innovative solutions and fresh perspectives on complex research questions. This interdisciplinary approach is essential for tackling modern scientific challenges that span multiple fields. It also encourages collaboration between different scientific communities, fostering a more holistic approach to research and innovation. Such collaborations are often the key to breakthroughs in science and technology. The ability of Chat GPT-4o to facilitate interdisciplinary research not only broadens the scope of scientific inquiry, but also enhances the depth and impact of research findings.
Chat GPT-4o's ability to tailor educational content and feedback to individual needs revolutionizes the learning experience. By adapting materials to fit personal learning styles and progress, it ensures more effective and engaging education. The AI also provides personalized feedback on assignments, which helps students understand their strengths and areas for improvement. This tailored approach fosters a more supportive and effective educational environment. Personalized learning facilitated by Chat GPT-4o not only enhances educational outcomes, but also encourages a more inclusive and adaptable educational system. The development of adaptive quizzes and simulations by Chat GPT-4o makes learning a more dynamic and engaging experience. These tools adjust to a student's learning pace, providing challenges that are appropriate to their level of understanding. Such interactive tools are particularly effective in teaching complex scientific concepts, allowing students to explore and experiment in a virtual environment. This hands-on approach to learning is essential for deepening understanding and retention. By facilitating more interactive and personalized learning experiences, Chat GPT-4o significantly enhances educational practices, making learning both enjoyable and effective. Chat GPT-4o assists educators in creating comprehensive and engaging educational materials, including multimedia content. This supports a more varied and stimulating learning environment, catering to different learning preferences. It also ensures that the educational content aligns with curriculum standards, incorporating all necessary elements such as learning objectives, activities, and assessments. This alignment is crucial for maintaining educational quality and coherence. The role of Chat GPT-4o in educational content creation not only enriches the learning experience, but also supports educators in delivering high-quality education efficiently.
The ability of Chat GPT-4o to translate and adapt content into multiple languages makes educational materials more accessible across different linguistic backgrounds. This inclusivity is essential in a globalized educational context. It also enhances language learning by providing targeted exercises and scenarios that are tailored to the learner's proficiency level. This personalized approach to language education helps in achieving better outcomes and greater confidence among learners. By breaking down language barriers, Chat GPT-4o significantly widens educational opportunities and fosters a more inclusive learning environment.
Chat GPT-4o stands out due to its increased accuracy and enhanced ability to maintain context over extended interactions. This leads to more reliable and coherent responses, vital for complex problem-solving and detailed discussions. Its improved reasoning abilities and expanded knowledge base allow it to handle nuanced topics with greater depth and sophistication. Whether it's solving logical puzzles or discussing ethical implications, Chat GPT-4o offers well-reasoned and comprehensive insights. These advancements not only demonstrate the superiority of Chat GPT-4o over previous iterations, but also highlight its potential to significantly impact research, science, and education.
Looking forward, the capabilities of Chat GPT-4o are expected to expand even further, incorporating more advanced features and broader knowledge areas. This ongoing development promises even greater impacts across various domains. The transformative potential of Chat GPT-4o in research, science, and education cannot be overstated. As this technology continues to evolve, its role as a catalyst for innovation and efficiency is set to scale new heights, reshaping our approach to knowledge and learning in profound ways.